Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a cleaning hack.
It's very important to clean your mattress every 6 months or so, and of course, if you spill something on it. Your mattress affects your sleep, which affects nearly every aspect of your life, so you have to keep it in an optimal state. Your mattress can accumulate dead skin, dust mites, dirt, sweat, and more. Regular mattress cleaning is important to extend the lifespan of your bed and also reduce allergies. Fortunately, cleaning a mattress doesn't need to be complex. First, use a vacuum or a lint roller to remove any dust, lint, or hair. If your mattress has a removable cover, and these days almost all of them have one, remove it and pre-treat the stains. I will show you here, mine has even mold stains. The best product to use on these stains is hydrogen peroxide. Spray it carefully on each stain and let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes. Hydrogen peroxide is a great cleanser, antiseptic and disinfectant. It even has a great whitening power.
But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again.
Put the removable cover into the washer and wash it according to its label. I usually use Ariel liquid detergent, Ace for whites, that is a stain remover that revives the whites too, and it's bleach free, and Tesori d'Oriente laundry softener. After I add 3 cups of Ace, I wash it at 30 degrees and I lower the spins for a delicate cycle.
Illusion, try to come down, but I know it's gonna take a while.
I do this job in 2 steps because the mattress cover is so big and it doesn't fit into the washer. So I wash one piece, then the other. You can see the second piece is all covered in yellow stains too. I apply the same treatment, wash it, then dry it into the dryer. If your mattress doesn't have a cover, you do the same thing manually. You apply hydrogen peroxide, let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes, then spot wash it gently with a sponge, a cloth or a brush with liquid detergent or even dish soap. Then use a damp towel or cloth to remove the detergent and a dry towel, then a hair dryer or a fan to completely dry everything. This is the final result. I love it. Now my mattress is clean, fresh, disinfected, no more stains, and it smells amazing. If your mattress doesn't have a cover and you wash it manually, it's important to be careful. Don't use anything too harsh that could damage the delicate fabric of your mattress. Also, keep in mind that it's difficult to completely remove detergents from a mattress, so you may wish to choose products with a mild scent. And don't over-soak the mattress. You can see that those tough stains I had in there are not absolutely completely gone, but it's 100% better. To help keep your mattress clean, it's recommended washing sheets weekly, checking from time to time your mattress for stains, discoloration, and smells. Also, using a quality mattress protector will reduce the need to clean your mattress as frequently. Regular cleaning will help extend the lifespan of your mattress, but it's still important to know when it's time for a new one. It's best to clean your mattress first thing in the morning. This way, everything will be dry and put back up until bedtime. I hope today's video inspired you to clean your mattress or at least to check it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!